Yay, my Avalon Nano. Woohoo. All right, guys, I'm officially heating my hands. I'm so happy. So check it out. I propped it up on my little special love rock because there's heat coming out from under it too. And it's making this pretty warm. And that way I get to get the extra heat that rises. But now it's pointed up at my desk here where my little keyboard is. And so my fingers, the sucker kicks some heat out too. It's amazing. So make sure you guys watch Ben's video. It's 1,000 times better than I'll ever do. I love you, Ben. And he'll walk you through how to set everything up using the software and all of the good things that you need to know. So it's super cool. Thanks, you guys. Thanks, Altair. Thanks, Canaan. And thanks, Bitcoiners. Woohoo! Let's heat the world while we mine some sats. So this is, it's not producing a ton of terahash, but what if it's like a little cool solo miner and I win a lottery ticket? Yay! So that would be super cool. So blessings to all of you. And I'll talk to you soon. Stay warm. Yay!